In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a round trip in Uber. With just a few taps on your phone, you can not only get to your destination, but you can also plan your seamless return trip. Let's walk through this process step by step, making sure you can efficiently book a round trip anytime you need it. First, ensure you have the Uber app installed on your smartphone and that you are signed into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so before booking a ride. Once you're signed in and ready, open the Uber app and you'll immediately see the map interface showing your current location at the bottom. There's a search bar at the top of the screen prompting you to enter your destination. Tap on this search bar and type in your drop-off location for the first part of your journey. You'll notice a list of suggested places popping up below as you type, making it easier to select your exact destination. Now that you've chosen where you want to go, it's time to select the ride type that suits your needs. Scroll through your options such as UberX, Comfort, or XL, each offering different levels of affordability and space. Once you've decided, tap on your preferred ride type. You'll then see the estimated fare appear on the screen alongside the confirmation details. Take a moment to review these details to ensure everything looks good. Next, it's time to set up the return trip. Since Uber doesn't provide a direct round trip button, you'll need to manually request each leg of your journey. For clarity, if your return is planned for a later time, you first complete the ride to your initial destination. Once you're ready to return, open the app again, just as you did the first time. This time in the search bar, enter your original pickup location or any other address where you want to go back to, then choose the ride that best suits you again. This is essentially replicating the booking process for a seamless return. If your return is on the same day, consider carrying your phone with the app open until it's time to request the ride back. This ensures a quicker booking when you're ready to go back. Remember, Uber fares can fluctuate based on factors like demand and traffic, so if timing isn't critical, consider monitoring the app for fare fluctuations. This approach would require rebooking each way individually, but it's straightforward and intuitive once you get the hang of it. With these steps, you now know how to book a round trip using your Uber app. Next time you're planning a journey, remember these easy steps to ensure a smooth and reliable travel experience with Uber. Safe travels!